Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. We are here now doing number 10 in the series Let's Discover God Together. And today the topic is going to be why I don't get involved in politics or religion anymore. How about you? Is that something you do? As always in all these videos, I remind you again, this is just my humble opinion and understanding. I don't ask you to follow any human. Take this up with your God and see how it resonates in your heart or not. I not only used to get involved in politics and religion both, I got heavily involved. I even went to Washington, D.C. to meet with senators and congressmen to try to improve things. I would regularly get into debates with people who did not agree with my beliefs on both politics and religion. Guess what? I don't do it anymore. And here's why. The God I believe in is an all-good, all-loving God. Not sometimes, not conditionally, all the time, period. And once you truly believe that, it really changes everything. Politics divide people into sides. Religion divides people into right and wrong, in or out, saved or lost. History shows us this clearly. Politics and religion have fueled wars, hatred, exclusion, and fear. But the God I've come to know doesn't divide. He unites. Love is at the center. Jesus didn't say, go get your theology right. He didn't say, go out and win some political battles. He said, love one another as I have loved you. That's it. That's the assignment. When faith becomes about power, control, or winning arguments, love gets lost. And when love is lost, we no longer reflect God. This doesn't mean I don't care about people. It means I care too much about them to reduce them to labels, parties, and beliefs. I choose love. I choose unity. I choose to see every person as someone God already loves. If this resonates with you, you're not alone. Please like, comment. I would love to hear your comments. Share this with someone if you think it might help them or be of interest. And subscribe to this series so you can hear the rest of this series. Visit gopwg.com to continue the journey. Lots of free resources there. And remember, let's keep discovering God together and meet Jesus out there in each other. Everyone, I hope you have a blessed day, week, month, year. You know what? Have a blessed life and share it with somebody. I love you guys.